Sometimes when your hopes have all been shattered, there's nowhere to turn.
Welcome to my review of a game. Well, more than a box of beer. Right. So the first thing I'm going to show you, like you've already seen, is this. The box. The disc and some other things came. Hill Valley Historical something icon archives. Date May 14th, 1986. Box number 60. I think the box number might change depending on anyway. Contents. Something. I can't read it. It's in writing I can't read. But anyway, this is obviously, I don't know. If you look at the back, it has Back to the Future the game and some other things there. The note. Maybe. I'm sorry, I can't even read it. From Universal Studios and Telltale Games. And then we'll get to the disc, which is this. I got it. No, not yesterday, but the day before. Now on here we've got Marty. We've got Doc, and young Emmett. Very similar to the part 3 sort of one. So, show you the back. Now I've got this downloadable for PlayStation and Mac, but I decided to buy the actual disc. Now this is compatible with PC and Mac, so let's actually get to opening this thing because I haven't opened it, so let's do an unboxing. Which is also a review as well, actually. Disc. I'll look at that in a minute. Aha! Now this is check the disc out for a second. I want to show you the inside. Now that's the cover you would get if you just order the game from Telltale Games website. So it's got two covers. Here's the disc. Back in PC. This is the collector's edition, by the way. Actually see, it says it there at the bottom. Now on here it contains all 5 episodes of the Back to the Future game, complete behind the scenes video series, full production art gallery, video reel with hours of audio commentary, includes never before seen content. Back to the Future the game, starring Christopher Lloyd, A.J. something, James something, Tucker, Tyler, I was like, Kid something, Michael something, I can't really miss these. A special appearance by Michael J. Fox. I just want to show you this. This is a little book it came in. It's not very good. Anyway, it says Emmett Brown on it. Look at the inside. There we go. It's basically got telling you how to install it for the PC. For Mac, it says double click, install to add the episodes to Mac DVD player application, and then it goes on about saving and loading and getting around and all that kind of stuff, especially this information. And on the back, as you can see, well, you can't see, but anyway, as you can see, it's got Jurassic Park, the video game, which I've also ordered from Telltale Games. They haven't sent it to me yet. Well, it's not arrived anyway. I ordered the collector's edition thing of it, so that should be coming soon, hopefully. It says more Back to the Future at telltalegames.com/store. You can get a t-shirt with the flux capacitor on it, an art photo thingy, which is basically photos and art stuff from the TV series, game even. And then, of course, the other version of the game. And then it also comes with this, which is Hill Valley Historical something from 1965 to 1990. That's got a little note here. I'll show you the pages. So the game, you know who these pictures are. And that is Strickland, the principal from the films. It's Emmett, this mysterious father. Oops. George and Biff. Marty and the clock tower. Nice animation actually. And then that one's just sort of blank. And we've got the postcard that was in the game. In fact, you have to find this in one of the missions. This is one of the missions you have to find back home. It's just a postcard. Write something and send it to someone or keep it. I'm going to keep it. And then we've got some of these. Notes from Emmett, the young Emmett. Now this, by the way, I think this one I'm about to show will probably give it a bit of it away. So, spoiler alert for the game, so look away now, or turn it off. This. It's a love poem or something, some kind, because he falls for Edna, Strickland's sister, it's not supposed to, and it messes up the timeline and stuff. And there's this, not really sure what it is, haven't read it yet. And then this is the first episode. You got to get him to build this in the first episode. It's called a rocket powered rocket powered drill. Runs on alcohol. It's very useful. And finally, there's this. A picture of the flux capacitor from the first movie. And that's basically it. That's what comes in this box. Collector's edition box. Let's put the back of it. It's a great game. Absolutely great. It's definitely one to buy. It's definitely a very good Christmas present or gift or whatever. Birthday present. Yeah, so you get that again. So it comes in this little box. If you get it. I think it was like only like I think it was like only 100 and something available. So I'm not sure if they're still available. There might be. Definitely, this is the best version I think to buy because the covers and all the extra stuff on there. I shall be downloading the content later. So until then, I'll see you in the future. Yes, just a quick thing. I forgot to mention in the video that this, as far as I know, is only at Telltale Games website. I think. I'm not sure. I think it's only at Telltale Games. So I'm not sure if I'm not really seen it anywhere else, but this version I think is definitely there. And I just looked on YouTube a minute ago, and there was actually a PS3 version of it as well. So. If you want, as in like box. I'm not sure about collector's box, but definitely box disc thing. So, okay for that.
You wonder how you keep going.